Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at Hot Wheels Trax, the advanced construction system for ultimate stunts. Basically this is a stunt set just like any other standard Hot Wheels stunt set, but it has more precise parts so you can make very unique layouts. This is the crash chamber playset with 2 stunts. Comes with a motorized power booster, 90 plus pieces. So it's a more precise type of playset, and you can make many different layouts. Here is the main layout, but there are other possibilities as well. Here is a look at the back of the box. So there it is. These are the 2 stunts, the crash chamber, and it also has a flex loop. So pretty cool, and it also comes with 1 vehicle. And down here at the bottom you can see some of the other car packs you could buy. We're going to open up another car pack so we can test it with 3 cars. There's also the Flex Loop playset you can buy by itself, Air Stunt Challenge, which was the largest playset in this collection. And you could connect them all together to make this really huge layout. So now, let's open it up. Now let's take a look at everything that comes inside of the box. As you can see, there's a mix of small and large parts, lots of very particular pieces. Over here we have the track pieces. There's the power booster, and these rails are for the track so the car doesn't fly off the edges. We have these stands which are used to support the set, and these pieces here are the clamps, so you can clamp these to the supports and create a layout. And this is what powers the power booster. That's where you put the batteries, and otherwise just some miscellaneous pieces. Also inside the box we get this poster which shows all of the pieces included and where to put them if you're assembling that layout. Has a survey sheet and a sticker sheet, but just a few stickers. It also comes with this very large and detailed instruction booklet, so we'll take a quick look through here. And this basically outlines the building basics. It shows all of the parts included and gives you a very detailed description of how to assemble the layout. So it goes step by step and it shows you everything, and this just shows you how particular it is. If you look inside here, it actually has you do measurements, 0.75 inches and things like that. So very detailed, certainly. But if you read through this big booklet, you can put it together just fine. And then this is what it will look like at the end. Just like that. Congratulations, you completed the track set, so that's pretty cool. And then it shows some alternate layouts as well. Doesn't have detailed instructions for them, but it does show where the pieces can go to put them together. And then at the end it shows you some information about the car. You can actually customize the car with weights so that you can decide how heavy or light you want it to be. And it looks like you can also attach it to standard orange Hot Wheels track. Very cool. It comes with an adapter for that. And then here were some of the other sets available in the collection, as well as car packs. Now we'll go ahead and open up this Trax car pack. This has 2 additional vehicles that we can use on the set. This one is called Power Pivot, makes 2 ultimate track cars. So here it has 1 fully assembled, and then it has the pieces for the other one to put together. So there's a good look at the front packaging and the back. And now we'll open it up. Inside the packaging we get an instruction manual which shows you how to assemble the cars. These instructions are quite detailed, perfect for the beginner. Shows step by step how to put together each of the accessories and build the car. And now we'll take a look at everything included inside. So here's the car that is mostly fully assembled. It's very light, but that's because it doesn't have any weights attached right now. You can take these two covers off the bottom and add weights as you choose. You can add more weights or less weights, or just have it no weights at all. Just depends on which kind of track you build. You kind of just test it out and see what works. And here is the car that is unassembled. Basically comes with the same components as this car. And here are the weights that you can choose from. This one right here is a full weight that you can put on the bottom, and here are some sections. So each of these put together will equal the same weight as this one. And you just kind of add them to the bottom and see what works. And now here's a closer look at the car included in the crash chamber set. Alright, so this is what the set looks like fully assembled with the layout provided in the instruction manual. So this is the main layout. Of course, there are other layouts that could be made. It's a very detailed set and kind of a large set as well. Has quite a few features, and I'll show you each of them. First of all, we have a power booster right here. It has a cord that runs to where the batteries are stored over there. The car will shoot up here, and this is a crash zone, so if you have a couple cars running at once, you might be able to get some sweet crashes there. Otherwise, the car comes through the first jump, rounds the loop, makes the second jump, and then comes around the curve over here. And then it comes down the rail slide, and then into the turn right here, and then back to the loop where it'll do it again. And I said this set is very customizable, and that's obvious, especially over here. There's a whole bunch of different holes here, so you can change the arrangement of the wires any way you want. So if you want the car to go another way, if you want the car to shoot straight out, you could do that as well. Certainly a lot of different things you can do. So with that said, let's try it out.